An ostrich. Natakot na siya. Yan o, si Princess. Si Princess! Slayeris. You're so OA talaga. Ay, ang cute niya. Boy. Ito pala yung point of view pag kumakain sila. O, gawin sa kanila. Uy, boy. Ito yung point of view.
Uy, wala na.
Isa pa ba, princess? There's also a horse. An ostrich. There's a horses, and then the dutan namot aja ko ni nagsusugat na yung ano niya. Ano may, ito yung point of view kapag lalapitan ka na ng ostrich. Pakainin mo nga ulit, boy. Kasi parang gutom pa yung isa eh. Tignan mo, oh, dinudutan niya yung kasama niya. Come on. You feed them. No, it's not. Come on, come on. Come on, come here, Caleb.
Caleb, come here.
Ito na yung
Feed
point
them,
of
feed
view.
them.
Ito na, feed them. Let's feed them. Ito yung point of view pag pinapakain mo sabi. Oo, nakakatakot sa buyo.
Hawakan ko sa bawa.
Nakakatakot sa buyo.
Tingnan
Tignan
ko
mo.
ito yung ginagawa nilang turds.
Ito yung point of view niya, boy.
Masarap siya, bes. Yung turds.
Oo nga eh.
Sarap to.
Sabi, oh. Ganun siya
Saka
kumain.
siyang chicken.
Boy, oh. Uy! Feeling ko itong cellphone pa yun.
Ladybug! Look at the ladybug.
Where? Yeah, it's a ladybug.
That's a ladybug. It's ladybug.
Great observation, a ladybug. Guys, look.
A ladybug ka na.
A ladybug.
What's that?
Ladybug.
You told earlier it's ladybug.
Look at the fly.
Where? Ay, andyan na siya.
Oh my God, it's gonna bite you!
Charis.
Nene.
A ladybug? Where's the ladybug? Oh no. Luna.
It's gonna fit you. Oh.